सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. Page 140, verse 43. स्वयमात्मेति पर्यायौ तेन लोके तयोः सह प्रयोगो नास्त्यतस्वत्वम् आत्मत्वं चान्यवारणम्. Vidyaranya answering the Purapakshi's question. The question was, Swayam, that word, how we can use to Kutastha. Kutastha means Chaitanyam, Chaitanya Atma Kutastha. This Kutastha, we are calling it as Swayam. Swayam means self. Where are all places we use this self? Aham, Tvam, Saha. When you use the words Aham, I. When we use the word Saha, he. When we use the word Tvam, you. In all those places we use the word self. I, myself. He, himself. You, yourself. This self is called Swayam. This Swayam alone is known as Atma. Swayam is equal to Atma. Atma is equal to Kutastha. Since Swayam is Atma, Atma is Kutastha, Swayam is equal to Kutastha. Chaitanyam, Kutastha Chaitanyam. This Swayam and Atma you cannot use together. Saha prayogaha nasti. This Swayam and Atma, self you cannot say. Swayam means self, Atma means self. You cannot say self. Why? Both are synonyms, paryayav. Since both are synonyms, you cannot use the word Swayam Atma. Why you cannot use? Because both are having same meaning. Atma also is Kutastha. Swayam is also Kutastha. There is no necessity of using them together. That is what he says, Swayam Atma iti paryayav. Swayam and Atma both are these two words, paryayav, synonyms of the same meaning in artham. Paryayav means a paryaya pada is that which has got the same meaning in artham. Paryaya padams, synonyms, they have got the same meaning. You are not supposed to use the same words which has got same meaning. You have to use some other word. Therefore, paryayav. Tena, therefore, because these two are synonyms, Swayam and Atma, self and Atma, both are synonyms. Tena, therefore, Loke, in this world, tayoho saha prayogaha nasti. Saha means here hakara you have to write, not saha and visarga. Here saha prayoga means along with. The prayoga, the expression of the self along with Atma, or the expression of Atma along with the self, Swayam, not there. Loke means in this world, Generally, the expression we don't see. Prayogaha nasti, na asti, not seen. That expression is not seen. Simultaneous usage of sahaprayogaha means simultaneous usage. Simultaneous usage of tayoho. Tayoho means swayam atma, of those two. Sahaprayogaha nasti, because swatvam atmatvam cha anyavarakam. Both of them are doing the same function. Swatvam means swam. Swam eva swatvam. One self. Self, swatvam, and atmatvam. Both are doing the same job, same function. They are doing the same function. What is that function? We have to note. The function is revealing the Kutastha. Swam is also revealing the Kutastha. Atma is also revealing Kutastha. That is the function of Swam and Atma. Same function. They are doing the same job. Swam and Atma. Nan, when you say I, myself, you are negating not that, this and all. You are negating. Anyavarakam. Whenever you use Swam or Atma, you are negating otherness. You have to take Anyavarakam. Negating the function of this Atma and Swami's first function is revealing the Kutastha Chaitanya. Second function is negating the other. What are all other negating? Ahankara, Chidabhasa. Ahankara or Chidabhasa are individuality. Individuality we negate. That is the negating function. Revealing function is Kutastha. Negating function is of Ahankara or individuality or Chidabhasa. Up to here we saw in the last class. So Vidyaranya established Swayam is the ideal word for Kutastha. What word you can use for Kutastha? An ideal word is Swayam or Atma. So Swayam or Atma are denoting the only Kutastha anartham. Next shloka we will read. 44. Gatha swayam na janati ityevam swatvam ghatadishu ityevam swatvam ghatadishu acetaneshu drishtam chet Drishyatamatmasatvatah. The second line, the second letter is not clear in my book. Acetaneshu. It is cha or va, not clear. You just make it clear. Acetaneshu. Now the Purva Pakshi raises a question. This self, I myself, he himself, you yourself, this self, that Swayam, you are talking, it is Kutastha Chaitanyam. Kutastha Chaitanyam is sentient principle. Clear? Swayam is equal to Atma. Atma is equal to Kutastha Chaitanyam. Kutastha Chaitanyam is a sentient principle. I myself am sentient or insentient? Sentient. He himself, self vandale, sentient. But Purva Pakshi is asking, this self, Swayam, not only going towards Chetana Vastu, but I see this expression in Achetana Vastu also. In Achetana Vastu also, we are using this expression. How we are using this expression? He gives one example. What is that? Ghataha swayam na janati. The pot does not know itself. Many times I show this pot, no? What I say? Matitong. I use this pot and say, pot does not know itself. I am a pot. Correct then? Pot does not know itself. You are using word self. You are using the word self. Pot is jadam. Pot is jadam. How can you use the self to the pot? Pot, ghataha, swayam. Swayam is called self. Na janati, does not know itself. Ghataha swayam na janati. That is in the first line. Means, ghataha, pot, na janati, does not know. What? Swayam, itself. Correct dane? Swayam, ghataha, na janati. Pot does not know itself. You are telling I myself, you yourself, he himself. Itself, pot itself. The self is going towards pot, inert pot also. You said Swayam means Atma, Atma means Kotastha Chaitanyam is sentient. Now how can you say Kotastha Chaitanyam? This pot is Kotastha Chaitanyam. I don't see any self Kotastha Chaitanyam here. Question. Are you getting the question? Simple. Okay. Always just like that you are using pot. Pot does not know itself. That self word you are using to the pot. Self is equal to Swayam. Swayam is called Kotastha Chaitanyam. Okay? So pot does not know itself means the self you are using. Ghataha swayam na janati iti evam swatvam ghatadishu. Swatvam means the swayam, that selfhood. Swatvam means selfhood. Evam ghatadishu drishtam. It is seen where in your class that Swamini using pot, always she says, I am taking myself as example. She is using that pot and says often that pot does not know itself. Itself she is telling. Ghatadishu swatvam. Ghatadishu evam ghatadishu swattam drishtam. Seen. What type of ghata is achetaneshu? Achetana means insentient. Insentient pot she is holding in her hand and showing pot does not know. She continues what? Self. You said self is Kotastha Chaitanyam. Appa Kotastha Chaitanyam is in pot also. Because pot is itself. Therefore Kotastha Chaitanyam is there. Then what is the difference between that Swamini and the pot? Purupakshi is asking. She is thinking she is intelligent and she is holding the pot and teaching to all her students. Now I am asking, he is standing opposite to me, suppose. I am asking what is the difference between that Swamini, Chaitana, Kotastha and this Ghata. I myself she is telling and itself she is telling. The self Kotastha is going to Chaitana, Swamini and Achetana pot. Now tell me what is the difference between that Swamini and the pot. Now Panchadashi book we close the Panchadashi book and we'll go away. But Vidyaranya is not like that. He'll answer. We'll also answer. If you don't know, we are afraid of Purupakshi. Therefore you are not supposed to be afraid of Purupakshi. If you have a thorough knowledge, then only you can answer. So, achetaneshu ghatadishu swatvam drishtam. The inert pot, etc. etc. means desk. You can take. Clip you can take. Clip does not know itself. Desk does not know itself. Wall does not know itself. Fan does not know itself. Fan can say, I am fan. Pot can say, I am pot. Clip can say, I am clip. Therefore, what we say? Fan cannot know itself, clip cannot know itself, pot cannot know itself. கேட்கறதுக்கு நன்னா இருக்கு. இப்ப கூட்டஸ்தான் அங்க போய் உட்கார்ந்துருக்கேன். அச்சேதனேஷு ஸ்வத்வம் திருஷ்டம். வித்யாரண்ய says திருஷ்யதாம். பாரு, let it be there, let that expression is there, accept it, what is there, he says. What is that Swamini using? Correct only. Vidyaranya supporting me. Okay. Chet, if you ask like that, ghatadishu achetaneshu swatvam drishtam iti chet, if you ask like that, drishyatam atmasattvataha, let that self be used with regard to achetana also. Achetana pot, no, even though it is insentient, I can use pot itself, desk itself, fan itself. I can use drishyatam. Let that expression be used. Nothing wrong in that. Drishtamana is seen. This type of expression is seen. May you see that. May you continue that perception. May you accept it. Drishyatam. What is that? Atma swatvataha drishyatam. May you accept that expression of swatvam or atma, that itself. Pot itself, desk itself, mic itself. Drishyatam. There is no problem. Even though they are inert. Why? Kutastha happens to be all pervading. What is the problem? What is the problem? Drishyatam. Kutastha Chaitanyam happens to be all pervading. Therefore, that self word can be used in the pot, in the clip, and in the fan, in the desk also you can use it. Then for that the next sloka comes. Then what is the difference? What is the difference between clip and Swamini? Pot and Swamini, or Swamini and any other Chetana Vastu. Now how you differentiate Chetanam and Achetanam? We are differentiating all objects in the world, Bhokta, Bhogyam. Bhokta means what? Experiencer. Bhogya means experienced. Another word for Bhokta is sentient. We are all enjoying the Panchadashi class. We are Bhoktas. Are we sentient or insentient? Can the clip enjoy the Panchadashi class? Can the desk enjoy the Panchadashi class? It cannot. Therefore, it cannot be Bhokta. Correct? A sentient being alone can be Bhokta. An insentient can never be Bhokta. It is a Bhogyam. It is only an object. This is very clear for all of us. We have differentiated the entire universe into Bhokta and Bhogyam. Experiencer and experienced. Sentient and insentient. Chetana and Achetana. We have differentiated, we have classified. Clear? The book you are holding, the Panchadashi book, is Chetanam or Achetanam? Achetanam. It is not Kutastha Chaitanyam. If book is also, book does not know itself. Panchadashi book does not know itself as Panchadashi. If it knows, it will walk off, no? It will walk off any time. Class is going on, it will walk off. Therefore, it is what? Bhogya Vastu. Inert. All of us know. What? The dress we are wearing? Inert. Achetanam. The car we are using? Achetanam. Pen we are using? Achetanam. Especially Kannadi. The chashma what you are using? Achetanam. So, Chetana, Achetana, Vibhajana, that means the division is there. Now, if Kutastha is everywhere, accept in the clip also, desk also, pot also, car, watch, pen, book, everywhere, if you accept Kutastha, then what is this division? What for? What is the division? How can you divide this way? Then Kutastha is all pervading. Chetanam is all pervading. How can you divide? For that Vidyaranya answer. Chetana Chetana Bhidam Kutasthatmakruta Nahi Kintu Buddhikrita Bhasam Kritaivetyavagamyatam. Very important sloka. Vidyaranya answer in the second line of the previous sloka itself he has answered. Let it be there. Svatvam atmataha drishyatam. Now he is giving further clarification. Even though the Kutastha Chaitanya is all pervading in inert and sentient objects, that Chaitanyam, that sentiency going to some objects in the world, not going to some objects in the world because of not Kutastha, because of something else. Inert objects, sentient object, Jada Vastu, Chetana Vastu. All beings are Chetana Vastu in the world. Chetana Vastu and Achetana Vastu made out of matter. This must be clear. Bhuta Padarthaha. There are two types of objects in the world. What are they? Some objects are sentient objects. Some objects are insentient objects. Chetana Vastu, Achetana Vastu. This Chetana Vastu, Achetana Vastu, both are made out of matter. Both of them are made out of matter. Chetana and Achetana. Sentient objects, insentient objects. What are those sentient objects? All 84 lakhs of species are Chetana Bhuta Padartha. Chetana means a sentient matter. That Padartha means that object which is made out of matter, a matter which is sentient. And certain objects which are not sentient, they are also made out of matter. Their content, there is no difference. Both of them are made out of Panchabhutas. What? Chetana and Achetana. This Chetana, Achetana made out of matter, but some of them are Chetanam, some of them are Achetanam. Because of whom? Because of Kutastha? No. If because of Kutastha they are Chetanam, everything has to become Chetanam. You have to think very, very carefully here. All objects are made out of matter. Some of them are sentient, some of them are insentient. This sentiency and insentiency, it cannot be by the cause of the Kutastha. It cannot be the Kutastha cannot make that objects either sentient or insentient. Which objects are made out of matter? They are called by name Chetanam, Achetanam because of something else, not because of Kutastha Chaitanya. What is that something else? That is Chidabhasa. Chidabhasa. In sentient beings, they have Chidabhasa. The insentient objects doesn't have Chidabhasa. Reflected consciousness. Reflected consciousness is not there in the pot. Pot is having Kutastha Chaitanya, but pot doesn't have reflected consciousness or Chidabhasa. Chit is there, but Chidabhasa is not there. In desk also, Chit is there, Chidabhasa is not there. extend this. In dead body also, Chit is there, Chidabhasa is not there. In alive body, Chit is there, Chidabhasa is there. Very much there. That's why sound is coming, no? What is the reason? The reason is, in sentient beings, Chetana Padarthas have got a Sukshma Sariram, subtle body. That Sukshma Sariram borrows the Kutastha Chaitanyam, which is all-pervading, borrows sentiency and formed a Chidabhasa. In certain objects which are made out of matter, there a subtle matter is available. That subtle matter is able or capable of borrowing sentiency from Kutastha Chaitanyam, who is all-pervading. That Kutastha Chaitanyam, all-pervading, lends Chaitanyam to this subtle matter, the Buddhi, mind, and this Buddhi or mind form a Chidabhasa and makes the inert matter sentient. You won't find this teaching anywhere. This sloka is very, very important. Kutastha Chaitanyam is all-pervading. Matter is matter. But in the matter, there is refined matter and gross matter. The refined matter has got like a polished stone madri. It has capacity to get reflection. Unpolished cannot reflect. Similarly, our mind is a refined matter, polished, refined matter, and the refined matter is capable of borrowing the Chit, Kutastha Chaitanyam, and just like that it reflects. That is why it is called Chit Abhasa. Chittunudaya Abhasam Chidabhasam. Abhasa means reflection. And the reflection form on udane, what it does? It makes the insentient matter, body, mind sentient. Because of this reflection, it makes the inert body sentient. Clear? The desk and pot doesn't have a refined, subtle matter, mind or buddhi. Therefore, they cannot borrow the Kutastha Chaitanyam Chit, which is all-pervading. In spite of Kutastha Chaitanyam is there, pot cannot say, I am pot. Pot cannot say. It cannot know. Because Chidabhasa is not there. That is why we say what? Pot does not know itself. Kutastha Chaitanyam is there. But pot does not know itself. Why I say? Because Chidabhasa is not there. This Chidabhasa alone making the division between Chaitanyam and Achetanam. Sentient and insentient division made by Chidabhasa, not by Chit. This object is, Swamini is sentient, pot is insentient. This division is made by Kutastha Chaitanyam or Chidabhasa? Chidabhasa. Because Chidabhasa is not available in the pot, Chidabhasa is available in Swamini. Clear? Of course, in all students also, Chidabhasa is available. It is not available in the pot. That is why it is Achetanam. Chidabhasa is not available in the pot. It is not sentient. In human beings, other beings, they have that Chidabhasa, that's why they are sentient. This sentiency and insentiency is not because of Kutastha Chaitanyam. Kutastha Chaitanyam is all-pervading. Chidabhasa is not all-pervading. It is all-pervading. I will give an example also. Now you take this body as a bucket, like, okay, mind is like a water, mind. And sun is like a Kutastha Chaitanyam. Sun reflection is like Chidabhasa. I hope Sun is like not your sun. Surya Bhagavan's sun is like a Kutastha Chaitanyam. And here there is a bucket of water. Water cannot reflect the sun without container. So water has to be contained in the container. Bucket or some vessel, any vessel. So in the container, the content water, in that the reflection of the sun is falling. Clear? So that bucket like body is like bucket. Mind is like water. Kutastha Chaitanyam is like sun. Sun reflection is Chidabhasa. Chittunude Abhasa. Sannudeyane Abhasam. Pratibimba. Abhasa means what? Pratibimba. Pratibimba Surya. Pratibimba Surya is formed because of Surya or water. Parungo. Pratibimba Surya is formed because of water or Surya? Water, not Surya. If Pratibimba is because of Surya, everywhere you have to see Pratibimba of the sun. But wherever that reflecting medium is available, there only sun reflects. So the reflection is because of water. Now look into the shloka. Okay. Chetana achetana bhida. Chetana, sentient. Achetana, insentient. Bhida, the division. Kutastha atmakrita nahi. It is not made. Krita means made out of. This sentiency or insentiency of some objects and some objects, different objects, Chetana, Achetana, division. Wherever you are, Chetana, Achetana is there. The dress you are wearing is Achetana. You are Chetana. The ring you are wearing is Achetana. Except you, all are Achetana. So Chetana, Achetana, both are here. Chetana, Achetana, this is division, is made because of Kutastha? No. Kutastha-astmana nahi. It is not made by Kutastha Chaitanyam. That is why Kutastha Atmana anchunnaru parungo. Kutastha eva Atma, Atma eva Kutastha. Kutastha Atmakrita. It is not done by the Kutastha Chaitanyam. Then who is the culprit? Who is that culprit making certain objects sentient, certain objects insentient, even though all are made out of five elements? That is Kintu. Moreover, it is not done by Kutastha Chaitanyam, it is done by Buddhikrita Abhasakrita eva. Abhasakrita means Chidabhasakrita. It is made by this division. Chetana Achetana division is made by Chidabhasa. Abhasakrita means Chidabhasakrita. Chidabhasakrita. Who is this Chidabhasa? Buddhikrita Chidabhasa. Which is made by the Buddhi. Buddhi means what? Buddhi is the cause in which the reflection is formed. Buddhikrita Chidabhasa. That is the meaning. Buddhikrita Chidabhasa. Abhasakrita, which is made out of Buddhikrita. Appadi eduthukanum. Krita means made out of. Abhasakrita, difference is caused by Chidabhasa. Buddhikrita, which Chidabhasa is caused by Buddhi. Reflection of sun caused by water. Reflection of sun caused by bucket or sun? Not by bucket nor sun. Reflected sun is possible because of water. So on the water place lo buddhi vechukanum. Because the reflection made by the water buddhi, in that this chit is reflecting. Because of that reflection, this Chidabhasa, what it does, it makes this insentient body, which is made out of 5 elements, sentient. Kadan vaangi, kadan kudukaradhu. It borrows sentiency from Kutastha Chaitanyam, which is all pervading, and lends Chaitanyam to the inert body and makes Kondatam. Kut Nandavanathil or Andi. அது 4 மாதமாய் குயவனை வேண்டி கொண்டு வந்தான் ஒரு தோண்டி அது கூத்தாடி கூத்தாடி போட்டுடைய தாண்டி. Not knowing this, we are thinking this body is myself. This body is matter made out of 5 elements, became sentient because of the buddhi in which the reflection of the chit is formed. Without that chit, where is Chidabhasa, where is buddhi, where is this body? Therefore, Shastra is asking, claim yourself as chit. Don't be trapped by Chidabhasa and Chidabhasa caused by buddhi, and buddhi is because buddhi, Chidabhasa are existing as long as body is there. Bucket is there, water dance and reflects. Chidabhasas are many. As many buckets, so many reflections. As many buckets of water, so many reflections of the sun. But how many suns are there? One. Namma buddhi enge ponom? We are trapped by bucket, water, reflection, sun. You are enjoying the reflected sun in the water which is in the bucket. Really, you have to appreciate the sun. What we are doing, not looking up and looking down, because of whose blessing that reflected sun is formed, and water, container, all these are all not Satyam. Bucket will go away. Kick the bucket and then water can be split anytime. When water splits, what happens to the reflected sun? Goes away. Reflected sun is permanent? No. Water is permanent in the bucket? No. Bucket is permanent? No. Head moving so fast. Now come to Darshanta. Body, bucket is permanent? In that body, bucket, Sukshma Sariram, Buddhi, mind is permanent? No. In that buddhi mind antakaranam, the reflection formed, chit reflection formed, is it permanent? As long as reflecting medium is there, that reflection will be there. The moment reflecting medium goes away, reflection goes. What about Kutastha Chaitanyam Chit? It is Yava. Never stick to bucket, water and reflection. Okay. This body, anytime it goes. Once the body goes away, automatically Sukshma Sariram has to move out. It moves out. When it moves out, it cannot form a reflection. That is called traveling. Jivatma traveling, they say. Sukshma Sariram traveling. Kutastha Chaitanyam cannot travel. Since Kutastha Chaitanyam is all pervading, that Sukshma Sariram Jivatma borrows sentiency Chidabhasa. In that Sukshma Sariram also it travels, but it cannot manifest without the gross body medium, RM. RM1 is dead without RM2, RM3. Sukshma Sariram, Karana Sariram illamal, Sthula Sariram irukka mudiyadu. Sukshma and Karana Sariram will function only when there is Sthula Sariram. So 3 of them are interdependent. Kutastha Chaitanyam is not dependent. Sthula, Sukshma, Karana Sariram are matter or Chetanam. They are matter, solid matter. Now you have to appreciate in this matter what? Matter solidly sitting, 70 kgs, matter is sitting. You want to appreciate the matter or the sentient Chit Kutastha Chaitanyam. Ajnani appreciate, admire this bucket body, Sukshma Sariram, mind, in which Ahankara, Chidabhasa is formed, and Janmas and Janmas they live. I told you, if you know you are a Kotastha Chaitanyam, this body is Sthula Sariram, Sukshma Sariram, Karana Sariram is like a pearl. It's my Vibhuti. I am blessing this. Surya Bhagavan is blessing the water with reflection and the bucket also you are appreciating. Once the Surya Bhagavan reflection is not there, what is this bucket, what is this water? And the Madhuri, the sentiency, insentiency is because of this Chidabhasa, not because of Kotastha Chaitanya. If Kotastha Chaitanya gives Chidabhasa, it becomes Karta. Surya Bhagavan giving sun reflection in the waters, or water is having capacity to reflect? Tell me. Sun talking to water. Water, water, now I want to reflect in you. Sun is telling like that. Sun doesn't have any transaction with the waters. Water has got the capacity to reflect in presence of the sun. Sun is not doing anything. Similarly, the Kotastha Chaitanyam, Aidi Kotastha Chaitanyam Chollan Ippo Cholla Mudimo Illiyo. Aidi Kotastha Chaitanyam I am not reflecting deliberately. It is not a will. Because I am Akarta Bhokta, I cannot, in my presence, since I the Kotastha I am all pervading, in my present, that subtle refined matter, the Buddhi, borrows my reflection and makes this inert body sentient. In certain matters, they don't have subtle matter, they cannot reflect. Chetana, Achetana. Division, I am not responsible. Who is responsible? That Antakaranam is responsible. Pot doesn't have Antakaranam. Are you enjoying? Whole Vedanta over. That's all. Now look into the sloka. Kim tu buddhi krita abhasa krita. So abhasa krita Chaitanya. Chaitanyam has come to Chaitana Vastu because abhasa krita. It is made by abhasa. You have to supply Chidabhasa. Abhasa ennane reflection. Once you say reflection, immediately it presupposes what? Reflection of what? Reflection of what? Abhasa, reflection. Reflection of what? Here the context. Chit. Chidabhasa. Kotastha Chaitanya Abhasa. Which is made out of? This Abhasa is made out of Buddhi Krita. There, water Krita. In the example. Here, Buddhi Krita. Water also very refined. Crystal clear. Buddhi is also crystal clear. It has got a capacity. Buddhi Krita, Abhasa Krita, Chetanam. The Chaitanyam, sentiency. Emam iti avagamyatam. May you understand in this way. What you have to say? Yes, I have understood. Sollanam. Solla mudiyumo? Next shloka. Yatha chetana abhasah kutasthe bhranti kalpitah achetano ghatadischa tatha tatraiva kalpitah. So this Kotastha Chaitanyam is all pervading. It is available everywhere. It illumines everything. Really speaking, because in darkness also Kotastha Chaitanyam is there. Kotastha Chaitanyam is there in darkness also. In Shunyam also Kotastha Chaitanyam is there. Everywhere Kotastha Chaitanyam is there. Where it is not. In what form Kotastha Chaitanyam is there? Na? What Vidyaranya says, Drishyatam, let it be there itself and chunnar. That self இருக்கட்டுமே, இருந்து போகட்டுமே என்னார். ஏன்னா கூட்டஸ்த சைத்தன்யம் இஸ் ஆல் பர்வேடிங், பார்ட் டஸ் நாட் நோ இட் செல்ஃப், அந்த செல்ஃப் கூட்டஸ்த சைத்தன்யம் பி தேர். சந்தேகம் வரலாம், எப்படி இருக்க கூட்டஸ்த சைத்தன்யம் இங்கன்னா சேத்தனா அச்சேதன ரூபேணன்னார். பட் கூட்டஸ்த சைத்தன்யம் இஸ் தேர். இன் வாட் வே இட் இஸ் தேர்? Chetana, Achetana division is because of Chidabhasa. We have understood now. Okay. You keep that topic aside. Now one more question just I am asking. Okay. Adikulla hidden. Now, in the pot he is having Kutastha Chaitanya. Chit is there. Chit is all pervading. In the form of easiness. Pot is. That easiness is called Kutastha Chaitanya. Why? Chaitanyam is nothing but Chit. Chit is Sat. Darkness is. Part is. Emptiness is. Dabba is empty. So the emptiness also presupposes what? Easiness. So easiness, Kutastha Chaitanyam is there everywhere. Easiness rupena, satta rupena, Kutastha Chaitanyam sarvatra vartate. Vartate va nava? Na vartate chonna inge kuda ille nartham. Asti tyevopalabdhavyaha. In Kenopanishad and Taittiriya Upanishad also, you have to say Asti asti iti. Nasti nasti iti vadati chet nasti. You are also not there in artham. Negator can never be negated. So, I am. That easiness is in the form of amness here. When in first person. Easiness is in the form of amness. I ease and sollamatom. Enna? Basic grammar. I ease and sollamatom. What do you say? I am. அது இருக்கு இது இருக்கேன்னு சொல்லுவோம். அப்புறம் இது இருக்கேன்னு சொல்லுவேன். நான் இருக்கேன்னு சொல்லுவேன். நான் இருக்கேன். So that Kutastha Chaitanyam is there in insentient also, sentient also. And the sentiency is because of Chidabhasa. Now this Kutastha Chaitanya நான் பார்க்கலையே. கூட்டஸ்த சைத்தன்யம் இங்க இருக்கேன்னு நான் ஒத்துக்கிறேன். பட் இன்சென்ஷியன்ட் ஆப்ஜெக்ட்ல கூட்டஸ்த சைத்தன்யம் காணுமே என்ன? இந்த கண்ணுக்கு காணாதப்பா, அது புத்தி. You have to use your buddhi in the form of easiness. You appreciate the Kutastha Chaitanyam in every object, every means Chetana and Achetana. Why I have to accept in Chetana and Achetana? Chetana anyhow you accept. Chaitanyam, non-sentient, I am sentient. But how can I accept in the clip, in the pot? Sadeva somya idamagra asit sadrupena. Sadrupena asti. Pot is, mic is, desk is, flower is, fan is, house is, emptiness is. That easiness is called Kutastha Chaitanyam. So whenever you are seeing every object, indirectly what you are really appreciating? இருக்கிற பாட்டா இல்லாத பாட்டா? இருக்கிறது. இருக்கிறது கூட இல்லாதது கூட நீங்க இல்லைன்னு அப்ரிஷியேட் பண்றீங்களா இல்லையா? There is no part. There is no part. You are appreciating the non-existent part. And the non-existent existent இருக்கா இல்லையா? அதுதான் கூடஸ்த சைத்தன்யம். You cannot say even in non-existence there is no existence. In non-existence, existence is there, but what is not there? Pot alone is not there. Pot belongs to what? Matter. Bhuta padartha. Bhuta padarthas may come and go, but existence continues. How existence continues, Swamini? Here, there is no pot. When you say there is no pot, what is Kutastha Chaitanyam in that statement? Every class you are getting 100 marks. I have to give gold medal for all of you. This is called Atraiva Brahma Samashnute. வீட்டுக்கு போய் உட்கார்ந்து மெடிடேஷன் பண்ண பிரம்ம ஞானம் வராது. here itself. Flower is. Flower is not. Flower may not be there, but easiness is there. Easiness you appreciate in the presence of flower, in the absence of flower. Who is appreciating? Who is appreciating? Aidhi Kotastha Chaitanyam through Chidabhasa. Very enjoyable subject, no? Very, very enjoyable. Ippudipatta Kotastha Chaitanyam nanu. I don't have na jayate na mriyate va kadachit. What comes? Bucket can come and go. Water, Sukshma Sariram come and go. All will split off. Chidabhasa may form, may not form, go. If Chidabhasa, body, mind is not there, I just remain as Kotastha Chaitanyam. Nothing going to touch me. This bucket of water, bucket and sun reflection can touch, afflict the sun? How many buckets can come and go? How many buckets of water's reflections come and go? Sun cannot be touched at any time. Clear? Like that, Aidhi Kotastha Chaitanyam cannot be touched by the body's arrival, body's departure. You have to own up or claim that Kotastha Chaitanyam is my real nature. Aidhi Kotastha Chaitanyam and reflecting in many bodies, in many minds. If they are not there, I remain as Kotastha Chaitanyam. I withdraw கூட சொல்ல முடியாது பாவம். Kotastha Chaitanyam ஒண்ணுமே பண்ண முடியல. That is why Kotastha Chaitanyam is called Kotastham. Chaitanyam is called Kotastham is because of this. But tragedy is what? Once we put chappal, we forget. Where is the necessity of forgetting? When you give reality to the bucket and I won't leave this bucket. If you give reality, you use it. Use the bucket, use the water, use the Chidabhasa, reflected sun. Enjoy it. Enjoy it. But don't give reality. Don't ask that bucket and water and reflection to be permanent. It can never be permanent. That impermanent you want to make it permanent is delusion. Don't ask for that. Aidhi Kotastha Chaitanyam, leave this body or not, I manifest. I am not leaving. I manifest when body is there. If this body is not there, I manifest in another body. If that body is also not there, I manifest in another body. That means I manifest all the time, either in one body or other. Appo, do I have birth and death? As a Kotastha Chaitanyam, I don't have Shadvikara. Asti jayate vardhate viprinamate aprakshiyate vinashyate, not there at all. These 6 are there for body, mind, complex. Therefore, he says, Yatha Chetana Abhasaha. Chetana Abhasaha means reflected consciousness. Chetana means consciousness. Abhasa means reflection. Reflected consciousness. Kutasthe Bhranti Kalpitaha. It is superimposed. Kalpitaha means superimposed. Upon what? Kutasthe. Upon this Kutastha Chaitanyam. Kutastha Chaitanyam, it is superimposed. Because of what? Bhrantihi. Because of not studying the Vedanta. Not studying Gita Upanishad classes. All are in Bhranti. Only those who are studying Panchadashi, Upanishads, Brahma Sutra, Gita, they are all free from Bhranti. We are all free from Bhranti or not now? The Kalpitam we have superimposed on ourselves, the Kotastha Chaitanyam. Kotastha Chaitanyam is one, Abhasas are many. They are all unreal, temporary, anityam. Therefore, whatever is temporary, anityam, I need not worry about them. I need not have anxiety with them. Because I am originally, really, all the time, Kotastha Chaitanya. This is Kalpitam, Bhranti Kalpitam. What? Wifehood, husbandhood, daughterhood, motherhood, kalpitam on this Chidabhasa. Body, identity, aham, mama. Aham, mama, on bucket of water. Aham, mama, mamakara, ahankara. And giving reality to this ahankara, mamakara. Instead of making your life as a krida, as a sport, we are making our life miserable. Converting the life miserable because of Bhranti. If you are free from Bhranti, you are enlightened person, life is a sport. In whose hand this is? Life is miserable or sport? In whose hand? My own hand. If I am a Jnani, life is a sport. If I am a Ajnani, life is miserable. Therefore, life is neither miserable nor sport. It depends upon you, how you look at it. Ajnanama irukkanumana irungo. Shastra says, I am not bothered about that. Achetanaha ghatadhischa. Even achetana ghatas are having that kotastha chaitanyam tatraiva kalpitaha. This kotastha chaitanyam is kalpitam again. That is why pot is, you say, pot come and go. Tatraiva means upon the same. In kotastha chaitanya alone. Tatra eva means in kotastha chaitanya alone, pot is kalpitam. Really pot is there? What is there? Easiness is there. Pot is not there really. Clay is, again clay kalpitam. Similarly, body is. Easiness is belong to kutastham, body belongs to matter. So matter and this is a vibhuti. I, the kutastha, I am appearing in the matter by lending Chidabhasa. Body is not enjoying for its sake. Matter. Mind cannot enjoy for its sake. As though I am enjoying through the mind and body. You are appreciating reflected sun or water or bucket. In the reflected sun, you are appreciating water or reflected sun or bucket. Really, your appreciation has to be focused on sun or water or bucket. Sun. And the sun only you have to focus. Not on the water. You are not interested in water and bucket. Sun reflection. That reflection is because of sun. In the form of reflection, you are admiring what? Sun. Similarly, the Chidabhasa is meant to appreciate, admire I, the Chit. Chidabhasa helping me, the Chit to manifest. I reveal Chidabhasa, Chidabhasa helping me to manifest. Both of us are helping each other. But one is real, one is unreal. Chidabhasa is unreal, Chit is real. I am manifesting because of Chidabhasa. That is why it is called Chittabhasa. That is revealed because of me. Chidabhasa is revealed because of Chit. Chit is manifesting because of Chidabhasa. Nalla think pannanu. Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vasishyate. Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om.